What's up, my soaping friends? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be making two soaps. Originally I wanted to make my gray soap, which is a patchouli and lemongrass soap, but just realized that I am fresh out of patchouli, so I had to switch it up. So I've been wanting to make a soap with some grapefruit essential oils, so that's what we're going to be doing right now. So let's just go ahead and get to it. I don't have a design in mind, but I have the colors in mind. So we'll freestyle and see what it is. Okay, so my oils are at a 95. Perfect. And I just checked on my lie and it was at 105, which is good enough for me. 106. For those who are absolutely new to soaping, this is my lye solution. I've already sprinkled my lye and water into this, let it cool down to ideal temperature. It is ready to be mixed with my oils. So let's go ahead and get this popping. In goes my lye. I did not have to strain it because it was nothing floating on top, but it's just a habit for me to strain it. I'm gonna get these mixed in with my spatula first, just to get things moving around before I stick blend. Definitely don't have to do this. This is just how I like to make my soap. You can go in straight with the stick blender. Okay, tap to get those air bubbles out. Look at my stick blender, y'all. The button gone. It's gonna be time for me to upgrade here in a minute. I am going to do this to a very light trace because, like I said at the beginning, I'm working with some colors and I don't really know how this grapefruit is going to react. I don't think I'm going to have a problem. So we'll see. As you can tell, we just started mixing and we are not at a trace yet. You can kind of see how the oil is kind of separating on my stick blender. So we're not even close to a light trace. Sorry that if my hand is in the way, but my stick blender is a little raggedy right now. It be shaking. We're probably coming up on a very, very light trace. But I'm gonna go ahead and separate this. My essential oil blend is grapefruit, eucalyptus, and lavender. So I am using rose clay, spinach powder, and alkenat root powder, just to see what I'm gonna come up with. So let's go ahead and pour these off. Hopefully I don't make a mess. I always seem to make a mess on camera. That's crazy. A little bit here. And then a little here. I did have to step away from this for a moment because I am on potty training boot camp right now. Yeah, Yeah, so it's, yeah. But we're still looking good. It's still fluid. That's another reason why I only blend into a light trace. So the purple is supposed to represent the lavender. The green is supposed to represent the eucalyptus. And my rose clay, because that's the closest thing I have to like a grapefruit color, is going to represent the grapefruit. Oh no! Moving on to the rose clay. I'm just gonna put a little, might not end up using all of this. I was planning on going right in with my stick blender to blend this, but my mind is all over the place with this potty training boot camp I'm going through. Drop in the comments, does this make anybody else skin crawl? Is it just me? See, if you were to do this at a thicker trace, man, good luck getting the clumps out. That's why sometimes I pre-mix my colorants with a liquid before any of this. But as of late, I've just been mixing to a light trace. Now, I have not added my essential oils yet. Essential oils are the last thing that you add in because they can either accelerate, some can accelerate. And you can see that's at a light trace. I am going to come back and blend just a little bit more. So I do have some clumps in there. Okay, get a different spatula. Got my green mixed. It is coming up on a thicker trace as well. And I'm probably going to do, I still don't know what type of design I'm going to do. Okay, now I have my colors. So now we're going to go ahead and divvy up this essential oil blend. Like I said earlier, grapefruit, lavender, and eucalyptus. I'm gonna do these first. Okay, and last but not least, our rose clay. So So this essential oil blend worked very well with soap, which is a plus. I think I am going to just pour my colors into the pot. They called it in a pot swirl.